Hi everyone, welcome back to technonTechTV. In this tutorial, we'll be covering basic introduction to database management system. But before we learn about database, let's understand what is data. Data is any set of characters that has been gathered and translated for some purpose, usually for analysis. In simple word, data refers to distinct pieces of information. For example, your name, age, height, weight, etc. are some data related to you. Now, what is database? We already know what data is, but this data could be a random. A database is an organized collection of data so that it can be easily accessed and managed. Now, let's have a look. Why do we need database? What are the examples we have? So, suppose we have an online library. In that, if you want to look what are the books you have and what is the count of your books and what are the domain or category you have in your library, in that case you need to have database. Because in a library you will have a millions of books and maintaining them in a traditional way is not possible. So that time database comes into picture. Next we have college database. College database organize the data about the admin, staff and faculties etc. It can store and manage all the data of the various departments of a college like administration, attendance, staff, details etc. So using the database you can easily retrieve, insert, edit and delete the information. Now what is database management system? So database management system is a collection of program which is used to manage the database. So database provides an interface to perform an operation like database creation, storing the data in it, updating data. So it provides protection and security to the database. And in case of multiple users, it also maintains data consistency. So that's it for this video. If you have any doubt, comment us below. And if you found some value in this video, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up. And do share this video with your friends to spread the knowledge and stay tuned for more videos.